Don't forget to turn off the fence. Well, it's March 3rd, and this is a winter record so far. Well, with temperatures that warm, the bees are out. I could hear them when I opened the back door, which is about 80 feet away. And so let's go check them out. Fence is off, so I can crawl through here without doing a fence check. And let's see what we got here. These guys are flying around. Not real busy, but they've been pretty conservative. This hive has been a little bit more active compared to some. That's a Langstroth. This is a lay-ins. And they're pretty busy. Let's see if they're bringing anything in. Doesn't seem like they're collecting anything yet. I wouldn't suspect that anything's out right now. So that's a 25 frame lay-ins. There's about 8 frames in there right now. Same with this one, maybe 10 frames. So not sure what they're doing pecking away over there. Oh, it looks like they might have an entrance there, but I doubt it. This little hive, they're quite busy. I think they're doing pretty good. That's a 6 frame lay-ins. That's a 7 frame lay-ins. This is my lightest hive. I'm concerned about them, but they seem to be alive at this point. There's another 7 frame lay-ins. This has been the most conservative hive as far as when they come out and fly around. So they've been pretty quiet all winter. And right now, they seem to be enjoying some fresh air and partly sunny weather. So temperatures approaching 50, might even be a little bit more than 50 right now. I couldn't read the thermometer. I'll look at it when I go back, but these bees are doing quite well. And so we'll go back over here. This is a 10/10 Langstroth. They're a bit conservative. This hive seems to be doing quite a bit more activity. This one's the lighter hive. This one's one that I'm concerned about as well. That's a 10/10. So I just saw a bee fly out of this one. So like I said, they've been a little bit more conservative. There's bees in there. They got plenty of stores. So that's it. That would be the full Monty.